These are 3 tips that will help you get more views, more subscribers, and more likes on your YouTube and Twitch channel. Let's dive into that. Okay, so to start off the video, we have being yourself. This is a topic that many people don't really look at when they start the YouTube channel. They just want to do what the famous people does. They just want to have the best setup. You don't need the best setup to do good YouTube videos. You don't need the best stuff to make good content. You can use your cell phone and just a normal cheap tripod stand that you can get at the Chinese shop for like 50 rand, or even like $2. So it's pretty cheap, and you can make quality videos if you have a good smartphone. You don't need a desktop to edit your videos. You can edit on a phone as well. A video based on that is gonna come out real soon, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And yeah, let's move on to the second tip. So the second tip is just knowing what to do on your YouTube channel. And what I mean by that is having a niche. So for me, I'm an all-rounder. I do a lot of games, like reviewing, and just basically I'm all around the show. So for you, if you are looking to start out on YouTube, choose a specific niche, what you want to get yourself into, before you just do random stuff. You might think that I do random stuff, but it's not. It's actually planned. So yeah, that is what I do. And if you want to do gaming, choose a specific game that you're going to stick to for a very long time. And once you get bored of it, or if it like dies down, and then you can move to a different game or different niche depending on how you are feeling. So yeah, that is the second tip. Let's move on to the last tip. Okay, so for the last tip, this is not uploading too much because you might get burned out. And what I mean by that is, people when they start out on YouTube, they think that you're gonna make a lot of money once you reach 1k subscribers and you get monetized, but that is not the case. They actually stop YouTube before they even reach 1k subscribers. So this is what they do. They upload as much videos as they can a week, like probably 14. I'm not exaggerating. Some people will upload more than 14 a week because they think that uploading that much will generate more views, more likes and subscribers. Well, I'm gonna tell you now, that is just rubbish. It is not true. That is not true. But what I can tell you is, being consistent every week, it doesn't matter how many videos a week, even if it's just 2 or 1 video, but if it's a good video, you will generate more subscribers, more likes, and it doesn't matter if it's 14 videos, if it's 1 video. If you have 1 video that gets 1,000,000 views and all 14 of the other person's videos combined gets 1,000,000 views, which one is better? The 1 video that you worked hard on all week, or the 14 videos that you worked on all week that is burning you out? It's literally all up to you. What I suggest is upload about 1 to 4 videos a week, depending if you are full-time at home or if you go to school. What I suggest is, if you're at school, you upload about like 4 videos a week, even more, depending on your situation. So yeah, that is basically the top 3 tips I can give you to getting more subscribers, more likes and more comments on your videos. So if this was helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly banger videos and streams. And make sure you check out this video right here, because it's an insanely banger video and educational as well at the same time. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.